Hi all, welcome to our channel Digital Rakesh. So anyone first time watching video, clearly watch everything video by real time scenario. You can not understand this video, we can repeat 2 to 3 times in the YouTube channel Digital Rakesh. So everything will be practice important. Anyone looking for real time scenario, please contact my channel. I definitely showing for real time scenario. So today we discuss topic about any particular dynamic website like e-commerce, news portal. So many websites are there. In this particular website, how we can working for SEO structure, nothing but how you can do SEO on page like title, your structure, description, keyword. So previous we discussed about the number of static website, everything we'll discuss. Now here, everything will be in a dynamic. There is a using for admin panel. So there is a using only for admin panel option. No need to go for the cPanel option. The cPanel will be does not require. So when using for dynamic website, why? Because dynamic is called daily n number of pages will be increased. So that is the purpose. We have to use the admin panel. So what are the latest videos are there? The videos which is a trending, not for YouTube shorts. I'm selecting for main videos. So here is the video. I'm selecting this video here. Here, web series season 2, episode 5, like this will be here. So here one option will be in this. I have to select the one video here. So open Word document. So why we am open for Word document, I'll tell you here. Yeah, copy this one. Admin panel. First, you can option will be two things. In this content, one is called post way, second will be videos way. So what is the difference by post and video? Video one, we can't use your own thumbnail. What are the YouTube thumbnail? Same will be using for thumbnail purpose. But post option, compulsory. Add new post, series 5. Don't use any special character in the URL structure. Only you can using for space and your character and alphabets. Here will be series 5 also will not required. We can call web series as category web series. Here URL will always remember youtube.com/watch v is equal. We can select up to only 11 characters. After v is equal, we can select him only for 11 characters. Copy this URL and paste. Suppose any related information is there, cast and crew. Here, copy the total, copy this one. Any content you can copy from that website to YouTube channel, anything will be copy from YouTube channel to your particular notepad option is compulsory important. So here is that. After this one, paste it. Village new comedy video. This is comma. And here image. So I don't know how image, how we can download image. Image purpose, search for YouTube thumbnail download. There are a number of websites will show the YouTube thumbnail download purpose. What are the YouTube URL? Paste it, automatic download by the YouTube thumbnail. Download it. Here, I'll explain one by one. Here, this is nothing but proper URL structure purpose. Don't use any special character in title option. This will be generating for URL structure. How to visible like this? Superstar Mahesh Babu launching the trailer of Pelli Sandadi. Same like that, this visible by title. Don't use any special character in title option. Comma, full stop, question mark, anything will not. Post language, English. Is a category will be web series. Here, what are the series will be here? We can selecting for web series option. Common one, go to the news option. Suppose this will be not in category. Common one is the news option. Next is description. Here. Now you can upload image. Upload image time. What is the title and image name? Both are same, compulsory. Before uploading, this image name and title name both are will be same. That is mean easily recognize on Google search engine purpose. Any will be searching in this. Here, image visible by the customers. So that is the purpose. What are the title you mentioned? Same image name we can use here. This is name nothing but image specific name alt tag. Image specific name alt tag. Previous we discussed alt tag in cPanel. We can writing manually, but here no need write for manual option. Everything. What are the title name? Image uploading purpose. The image name rename for the title name here. Just upload it on your particular image. Proper SEO title, description, keyword. Title should be we can use up to 60 characters. Description will write up to 300. Our best writing will be 80 to we can after writing for 160 visible, but writing up to 300 character visible. But this will be only writing will be here. So we can writing more options. We can write more options also. Simple cast and crew numbers here. Or else we can writing will be like this. Description. Latest web series, latest videos, latest YouTube trending videos. People searching will be different. We can using for same will be title and description. And description will be keyword. Click for submit. This will be I'm selected category option name is web series. Here is the web series will be post. So this is the title. So how you can generate in your structure? tollisnews.com/post-info article number 839. Easily people know about that. Chillaku Pelli Chupulu web series. Click for Control U. Nothing but page source. In this, we can checking for what are the SEO title. Next, what are the description you write? What are the keyword you write? And next will be alt tag. Nothing but image specific name. Where you can find out. Check with here. There is scrolling down. The image will be showing to the customers here. See this one. Image and a specific name that using for alt tag option. See here. This. Anything. What are the image you will be design? What are the image you will be contain everything? First of all, image alt tag. Checking purpose alt is equal to. Alt visible by so many options. Here is that. This image specific name you're writing for alt tag. Chillaku Pelli Chupulu web series. What are the title you mentioned? Same will be visible by the alt tag option. Next will be H1 tag. Compulsory Control F. H1 tag. What are the title I will mention? Same H1 tag we have to visible. Which one? Chillaku Pelli Chupulu web series. Why? This web page content belongs to for Chillaku Pelli Chupulu web series. So that is I'm using for H1 tag option. Here one question. Sir, I don't have a developing option, but I'm outwriting here. That is called Dynamic website will providing for admin panel. If anything mistake will be done, you have to intimate developer. What are the title I mentioned? It not showing for H1 tag option. You have to send to mail developer is updating on website. H1 tag compulsory important. What are the title you mention on your website? Same H1 tag you will mention on the particular website. And all tag is a compulsory important. Next one, canonical URL. What are the URL will be using? Same URL we can using for canonical URL. That mean by this complete content belongs to for this particular tollysinnewswebsite.com URL. They represent why? Because same content people posting for number of websites, not YouTube for number of websites will be posting here. So that is the purpose. We have to use option name is called canonical URL. Nothing but nobody can duplicate my URL. Why? Because it's my own content. Own not content, nothing but various others. Content will be your own. Nothing but just you are taking for video from the other YouTube channel. But don't download copy from your website to YouTube to website. So YouTube link, no copyright for your website. So if any video download, upload on same as it is video, download the video link. That is a problem. So this YouTube link with your own content writing here and show to the customers. This will be your own URL option. That is we can using for canonical URL option. Follow these instructions on canonical URL and update on content your particular website. You always follow these instructions. Add post option, title, category, language selection, description, image uploading, video URL, title, description, keyword. SEO title description keyword. The main purpose is called search engine purpose. And image is called Google search image purpose. But here one more option is I'll already discuss. What is that? Video method. Video method, this main option not required. Simple method was the title, video title, category, YouTube URL, title, description, keyword. For example, sir, YouTube Shorts is applicable or not? You can upload YouTube Shorts also, but the method will be different. Here, one song is there. Tirma Tagak song. Open Notepad. So always keep it in mind. Anything you select by the Notepad option. Don't direct post on your particular things. Everything most on by the Notepad. Godfather. Now I'm writing for description. Megastar Chiranjeevi. Salman Khan. Thumb. SEO title. I don't use this option. Godfather. Telugu movie. Okay. Now copy this. Go to admin. Title here. Remove this. SEO title. Movie. Here. We can write few more things. Godfather. Film updates. Godfather. Cinema news. Now we can do it. So they what are the options are here? Category. This will be video song. Here already discussed after watch V is equal 11 characters. You can copy will be here. admin, paste it here. So video option, just you can write in title, video URL, SEO title, description and keyword. Second, add SEO title will be more than 100 characters. You can write, but display will be 60 characters will be displayed here. So people writing will be different ways. That is, leave it by here. See how many people. If you more than 60, they're showing for dot option. So that is called use the short title will be in your particular website. So that is the purpose. We can writing method will be here. There's a title, category, video, SEO title, description, and keyword option. Now, so if you go for videos, this much information not required. Just what are the thumbnail or YouTube thumbnail, same will be visible. Open it. Video will be open. There's a no title, no description will be here. After this content, we can sharing for social media platforms. What are the platform you can share? Shared by your particular platform options. So one more important information. What are the content you are using YouTube link on website is no copyright. That is, you can generating traffic, their videos to your website traffic will be generated will be here. So follow these options and prepare the content and upload the everything will be in your particular website. So anytime website, same process will be follow. Post will be image required and videos will be not require any images. The YouTube thumbnail same will be take as a image option. And YouTube thumbnail download purpose link will be just search in Google YouTube thumbnail downloader. So automatically visible by so many websites. The famous website is called YouTube-thumbnail-grabber.com. So this URL will can download n number of thumbnails. So in this, we can using for latest thumbnail, highest thumbnail you will be select will be here. Suppose upload here. Highest. This is highest image will be 280 by 720 image. Upload on the particular post option. Any question about any website, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support. This kind of website anybody require, please contact through my channel. I definitely will be support you how to making a website. I'll create a website and give to you as a practicing well purpose. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.